Beyerdynamic has a new studio-level USB microphone called Fox. It's priced at $179, which is competitive with similar products from Blue, Apogee, Rode, Shure and other companies. The Fox is available to order in advance today and begins shipping on July 16. Beyerdynamic is promoting the microphone to the musicians, of course, but also podcasters, video game streamers and other users who seek to increase the audio quality of their work with a plug-and-play device that is relatively portable. Vocal and vocal recordings, podcasts and ambitious acoustic performances can be performed effortlessly. The large diaphragm condenser microphone has a built-in headphone jack for monitoring, which is critical if you are going to make mobile recordings with an iPhone 7 or later. On the front, there are dials for the volume of the headphones, mixing to balance the signal between PC/mobile audio and the microphone, and a mute button. The recording sampling rate increases to 24-bit/96 kHz. The Fox microphone includes a USB-C to USB-A cable, a screen against the wind and a footplate to give you a nice and firm position on a table.